Welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see about country with their capital and currency. So let's get started. First, Kabul. Kabul is the capital of the country Afghanistan and the currency of the Afghanistan is Afghani. Next, Canberra is the capital of the country Australia and the currency is dollar. Vienna is the capital of the country Austria and the currency is euro. Dhaka is the capital of the country Bangladesh and the currency is taka. Brussels is the capital of the country Belgium and the currency is euro. Thimphu is the capital of the country Bhutan and the currency is Nigaltam. Brasilia is the capital of the country Brazil and the currency is real. Ottawa is the capital of the country Canada and the currency is Canadian dollar. Beijing is the capital of the country China and the currency is renminbi or yuan. Havana is the capital of the country Cuba and the currency is Cuban peso. Copenhagen is the capital of the country Denmark and the currency is Danish krone. Cairo is the capital of the country Egypt and the currency is Egyptian pound. Paris is the capital of the country France and the currency is euro. Berlin is the capital of the country Germany and the currency is euro. Jakarta is the capital of the country Indonesia and the currency is rupiah. Tehran is the capital of the country Iran and the currency is rial. Baghdad is the capital of the country Iraq and the currency is Iraqi dinar. Jerusalem is the capital of the country Israel and the currency is new shekel. Rome is the capital of the country Italy and the currency is euro. Tokyo is the capital of the country Japan and the currency is yen. Seoul is the capital of the country South Korea and the currency is South Korean won. Kuala Lumpur is the capital of the country Malaysia and the currency is ringgit. Malay is the capital of the country Maldives and the currency is rupiah. Kathmandu is the capital of the country Nepal and the currency is Nepalese rupee. Amsterdam is the capital of the country Netherlands and the currency is euro. Wellington is the capital of the country New Zealand and the currency is New Zealand dollar. Oslo is the capital of the country Norway and the currency is krone. Islamabad is the capital of the country Pakistan and the currency is Pakistani rupee. Manila is the capital of the country Philippines and the currency is peso. Moscow is the capital of the country Russia and the currency is ruble. Riyadh is the capital of the country Saudi Arabia and the currency is Saudi Riyal. Madrid is the capital of the country Spain and the currency is euro. Singapore is the capital of the country Singapore and the currency is dollar. Colombo is the capital of the country Sri Lanka and the currency is rupee. Bangkok is the capital of the country Thailand and the currency is baht. Ankara is the capital of the country Turkey and the currency is lira. Abu Dhabi is the capital of the country United Arab Emirates and the currency is dirham. London is the capital of the country United Kingdom and the currency is pound. Washington is the capital of the country United States America and the currency is dollar. Hanoi is the capital of the country Vietnam and the currency is dong. Keep watching and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.